Hi guys, Zach here with another video. So today we are going to do an in-depth review of the controller modes on the Phantom 3 standard controller, guys. So if you guys do not know what drone I am going to be talking about, it's the Phantom 3 standard right here. Yeah, so let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so first step of it all is launching the DJI Go app, guys. Don't worry about this cord. This is just charging my phone right now. So the first mode, or the first two controls that I'm going to be teaching you guys is the left and the right joystick, guys. So hold on, let me move the drone out because you can tell here on the screen, it'll be in the left corner, that I am in attitude mode because there's not enough satellites right here. So let me move it out some more, guys, and yeah. Alright guys, so I'm back. So, it's not having all the satellites for it to work. It only has 4, so it's going to be in attitude mode. Oh, my bad, guys, I bumped the camera. So, first of all, anyways, so all you have to do to start up your drone propellers is by just putting in the 2 joysticks inward. And it should start. Okay, now we got GPS mode. So, hold on guys, I'm just going to turn this up for my safety, then I hear what's going to happen. Alright, so, if you guys cannot see, that's all you had to do, and it starts up the propellers. If you guys cannot see, pretty easy peasy. Okay, so that's how you start the propellers. Just put them both inwards. Okay, so that's not how you turn it off. How you turn it off is put the joystick all the way down to turn off your propellers. So it's going to have like a little lock clicking sound. Alright guys, so that's how you turn off the propellers. Alright, so the next step to take off. First, the mode is if you go up, that's going to raise altitude, lower altitude. This is going to turn the aircraft left or right, like not make it go left or right. It's going to like turn the rotation. This joystick, the right joystick, if you go upwards, it's going to make it go forward, back, backwards, left, left, you go left, and right, you go right. Simple as that. So take off, we put them both inwards.
The home point has been updated.
And now the drone has been started. And all you have to do is raise your left joystick up. And if you guys can see, the drone is coming up higher. So if you guys can see, left joystick comes back, starts coming towards us. Right joystick makes it go right. Left joystick makes it go left, guys. And then if you guys can see, I'm gonna lower the altitude so you guys can see it. If I hit this and take it right, it's going to start moving it. You guys can see how the rotation is on it. So those are the first steps. So all I have to do to land it is lower the altitude. And then once I get it down all the way, I push that lever all the way down, guys. And then we're good. So the next thing with the DJI Phantom 3 standard is this little guy right here. It's hiding in the back left corner of your controller right here, guys. All that's gonna do, that's gonna make your gimbal go up or down. If you guys cannot see, hold on, just turn it over. I'm gonna set it down there, guys. I don't have multiple hands. Guys, remember, this is my first time ever filming a drone video or an outside video. I always did gaming videos. So if you can see, guys, just move this thing back and forth. You'll see the gimbal going up and down, guys. So if you see, if you turn the, I'm guessing it's kind of like a nozzle kind of thing. I don't know what you want to call it. If you go, oh my bad, guys. If you go towards the other side of the controller, the right side of the controller, it'll go upwards. So if I go here, it'll go upwards. If I go here, it'll go downwards, guys. Okay? Just wondering what that person is doing. Alright, guys. Wow, you guys can see my head set up. That's funny. Hold on, guys. Hey guys, get see a sneak peek of my setup, guys. So all I have right here is a monitor. It didn't work out. I had a cheap monitor that we had in the garage, and I was saying, you know, I can't. The thing I have a Sony A6300 4K video camera. What kind of video camera? Digital camera. And you can't bring the screen on the other side. You can't flip it over like the Rebels and stuff, Canon Rebels and stuff. So I was thinking, hook this up to an HDMI cable, and it should work and be perfectly fine. Well, something's up with the format or something, so it didn't work out. Oh, my bad, guys. So that's why this is right here. If you guys look on my phone in the bottom left corner, I have the drone bag back there and the camera bag. Okay, guys, and this is the stand, guys, if you haven't realized. Okay, so we learned the camera movement. The last important guys, I'm going to move my phone upward. It were these two guys, this guy and this guy. Okay, I'm going to zoom out the thing. Ooh, that's zooming in. Guys, we'll get better at this, remember. Alright, so these two guys, S1 switch, they call it, the right switch, right above your forward, back, left or right or left, yeah, can't talk. This does GPS mode, guys. This does GPS mode, attitude mode if you go into the middle. So right now I'm in GPS when you're at the top. The middle is attitude mode, so that's where it's not hooked up to the satellite, so the wind can take it and take it wherever. Now, if you guys look at the phone in the bottom left corner of my phone, if I go down, this is now like mode options. So if you can see in the bottom right over top of the map, there's a button that kind of looks like a controller. Yeah, it looks like a controller, but it has two antennas. So I have to accept these agreements quick. So if you guys look on the screen, what I can do is I can have a point of interest. I could have a follow me mode. I could have waypoints, home lock, course lock. I'll be showing you guys more of that in another video, guys. So stay tuned for that. So that's what this S1 switch does, guys. So the other switch is your S2 switch. Now, I don't recommend using this switch because of if you go and just do the switch, go up and down like 7 times, I think, it restores your controller to default, if I'm correct. I know the controller goes to default mode, but I forget how you do it. And then this even does return to home. Now, I don't recommend using this one, so I just have it in the middle. I don't use it at all. I just always use the phone and press return to home, guys. So that's what I recommend. So those are all the controls, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like the video, and if you guys not, turn that notification bell, guys, because I'm going to be doing more drone videos. I have a Phantom 4, Phantom 3 Standard, and I'm maybe looking into an Inspire 2. So I will be showing you guys how to use those and telling you guys tips. See you guys. Peace.